Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you on how to contact Instagram customer service on PC with the latest updates. Follow these steps to seek assistance with any Instagram-related concerns. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to https://help.instagram.com. This is the official Instagram Help Center where you can find solutions to common issues. Once on the Help Center page, search for your specific issue by entering relevant keywords into the search bar located at the top of the page. This will help you narrow down the search results to find articles related to your concern. Choose the article that best matches your issue from the search results. Look for the title that closely aligns with the problem you are facing. The selected article will provide you with detailed instructions on how to address your issue. These step-by-step instructions will guide you through the process of resolving your problem effectively. Additionally, the article may include links to other helpful resources for further assistance. In certain cases, you may be prompted to fill out and submit a form as part of the troubleshooting process. Follow the instructions provided in the article to complete the form accurately. By following these steps, you can access the Instagram Help Center and utilize the available resources to resolve your Instagram-related concerns efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to contact Instagram customer service on PC using the latest updates. Stay informed, explore the Help Center, and address any Instagram issues you may encounter with ease.